Ooh, disgusting. Tell you what, this wouldn't happen in CORY.
Sweet. That's what I like on a Monday morning.
Well, it's my home anyway. I'm always in the loft. It's amazing being an apprentice. Spiders all up in your grill.
Morning guys, we're here down in Loughton, me and Reuben. We've got a Sappy to go on in the garage today, new consumer unit, and some guys are going to be putting some solar on the roof. So we're going to hook some stuff up ready for them. Come along and see what we're going to do. So the Zappy's going on this wall in the garage. Luckily we can get up into this little loft space, but it literally stops where this brick wall is. So we're going to have to fish through into the utility room and down to the fuse board. So I've just got the ferret out, really handy tool. Taking this downlight out, luckily there's a void above this ceiling, but there's no loft hatch, so I'm gonna stick this up there, bit of MT2 trunking over with a bit of cable looped, and hopefully hook it on and fish straight over to where the fuse boards are. Good to go. Yeah, I'm pretty good at fishing, so. Nice. Woo! Sweet. Do you want to go in the loft and feed it off the drum, and I'll pull it down this end. Yeah, don't let go of the other end.
I'll give it a rating. This loft out of 10 is a solid 7. I'll give it a 7. Maybe it's 7.5, 7.5. I'm gonna be generous because it's nice and empty, spacious. There's no spiders hanging everywhere you step. It's nice.
Oh man.
What's happened?
So I just pulled it out of the ceiling and I didn't tape it on good enough, so we're gonna have to go again. Reuben.
Oh, disgusting. Tell you what, this wouldn't happen in CORY. Like, we'd be out by now. You know what I'm saying?
It was basically on for an easy day then.
Oh, so we've lost both now, haven't we?
Well, if I can get back to this hole, we need to try and fish it back from that wall over. Right, let's see what's going on. Oh, there's the earth. No. Oh, God.
I'm very confident.
Right, might need you to do the little wiggling about again.
Yeah.
That's what I like on a Monday morning. A nice bit of fishing.
I'm eating fish tonight.
I'm gonna take the beep.
Brought it down to 6.5 now. Can't be allowed that in your loft. Mate, it's your home. Well, it's my home anyway. I'm always in the loft. Nothing quite like a peaceful work environment. The customer has got people installing solar panels today. They're like taking out roof tiles, and it's like right above where my head just was. So it probably wasn't a very nice noise coming through the mic.
What we're gonna do, tape this back on, pull it all the way through. So we've got a draw wire in between the void, and then pull the EV Ultra back.
I'm like a little monkey, to be honest. I can just like swing around in these lofts, you know? Honestly, I kind of hope I don't grow.
yeah, say cleat along the wood and then maybe linear clip the wall and then linear clip down. Corey, just in case you're watching, just tidying as I go. Because I've seen the back of your van, so. Other bits are up here for you. Just give me a shout if you need anything. Not how to go down the ladder. I'm going to leave him clipping up there and then he should be alright to just cleat this down and mount the zappy if he gets time. I'm just going to start setting the board up in the utility room.
Okay, I revoke my statement where I said there's no spiders anywhere. Look at that corner, and I'm gonna have to stick my hand in there. There's more spiders in that corner than a bush tucker trial, as my father would say.
So I'm just in the plant room. Unfortunately, I couldn't come down because the pipe bends to the right in the ceiling, so I've had to come down over this side. So I'm going to cleat that up tight to the ceiling, stuffing gland in the top. I'm going to run down into the bottom of the board, and then also the tails are going to come from the Henley block round and in, and then also the EV Ultra cable can CT in here to the live coming into the house. So that's the plan.
Amazing being an apprentice, you know, just spiders all up in your grill. It's nice. Not. Making me do the day work. It's like being with Corey again.
Someone's got to do it.
When in doubt, step back and analyse your work. You know what? I'd say it's pretty lovely, you know? I'm happy with it. The only thing that I am debating is whether or not to put a clip here, but then it will be uneven from there, but then it will be unsymmetrical from there. Let us know in the comments, but I'm gonna leave it.
Cool, so some reason the fuse fell out the meter cupboard. I don't know how that happened. But just checking that's dead, because basically someone's not really left any room coming out of this trunking, so I'm going to have to rejig this about. Get these new tails into there. That's our board powered up then. Reuben's just next door finishing the charger. Yeah, just finish the testing off and go enjoy the sun. What's been happening? I've been crying for the 2 hours. What's this? Reuben, did you pull that out?
Well, Corey's been teaching me to do it, so.
Okay. Right, so to do your ZE and PFC, I want to disconnect that earth, so turn these off. Okay. Unscrew the main earth, clamp onto that, and then just your live and neutral. And then we'll take a reading. Then we'll connect it back up and get the PFC, and then we can write that down to go on a test certificate, and then we'll go get the readings from the zappy.
Cool.
Cool.
There we go.
and then put it on your earth loop, but not the no trip one because there's no RCD. So 0.23. Okay,
and then reconnect the main.
Reconnect and do it again, and then press the same test, but then this time after you've tested, we'll press the PFC one and you'll get your PFC reading.
Okay. Oh my goodness, it's been quite a nice day. Hot, very hot, but it's been nice being with Lee. I've worked with him a couple times, but yeah, it's a whole lot easier, actually. I mean, CORY just makes me do everything. But Lee's like, you know, finally a strong spark, you know, doing his own stuff. So it's been good. CORY, I have some advice for you, okay? Stop cleaning up after yourself because it gives me something to do. When I'm with Lee, I just have nothing to do. It's like, where's the cables on the floor? Oh, he's already picked them up. So just leave them on the floor, please.
Alright guys, end of the day, it's getting quite hot now. Panels are on the roof, or half of them. Zappy's in the garage, so Reuben done a good job of connecting that up. Had a bit of a pain getting all the cables into the Henley block downstairs, but got around it in the end. Boards on and tested, CTs are connected up, just need to be finished, clamped around the solar and the battery storage when this is finished. And yeah, that'll be job done. So it's been a hot one, but be good to go home and chill out and see you on the next one.